Hello, my customer, friends. Yes, I become many friends this year, and I say thank you, Mike, become my friend. And I also say, hey, Andy, I don't know you, but I think you're okay. Hope become friend. I say Despo, your friend already. Yeah. I say Peter, Pito, Take Pito, friend forever. Yes. I don't know. A zombie, my brother, friend forever. I hope. Yes. And other people, I don't know. I don't know who I am not remember now. But we lucky find together. Andre, Andre, come to me. Very good friend. Hope for future. Fred, very good man. Come to me. Yeah. Hope good together. And my friends, Tony, I have a friend Tony, also good friend like Thailand. Yeah, not only about internet. And Peter, other Peter from yeah, where he from? From Bremen, Bremen, Bremen. Yes, I love him so much. And many people. Yes, we have. Ah, maybe Timo. I don't know. I know. I don't know, but maybe later. Maybe some other people thinking about. And that's it. We about 10 people. Oh, Spider, I forget you. I not forget you, but too late. Spider, I love you. I don't know why, but you're okay. Yeah, and Mike also a little bit crazy, but I love him too much. Yeah, everyone's special. Everyone's special. Me also special. I don't know. But we find together and maybe we have a good time later in the next 10, 20 years and see us in Germany, in Thailand or someone over the world. And that's cool. And I say, thank you. Make it possible. Stupid man. Okay.